Financial freedom is a highly sought-after goal that many aspire to achieve, but few know how to reach it within a specific time frame. The good news is that with deliberate action, strategic planning, and disciplined habits, becoming financially free in just 5 years is entirely possible. It requires not only a shift in mindset, but also concrete steps focused on controlling your finances, increasing your income, investing wisely, and protecting your assets. This video will guide you through the essential stages of this journey, breaking down what you need to do each year and how to maintain your financial independence thereafter. Understanding financial freedom. Financial freedom means different things to different people, but at its core, it is the ability to live comfortably without the constant stress of financial constraints. It means having enough passive income money earned without active involvement to cover your living expenses, allowing you the freedom to choose how you spend your time. This could mean retiring early, starting a passion project, traveling, or simply living without financial anxiety. The key markers of financial freedom include being debt-free, having a sufficient emergency fund, owning assets that generate steady income, and possessing a solid plan for long-term wealth preservation and growth. Achieving this state within 5 years may sound ambitious, but by committing to a disciplined financial strategy, it is certainly within reach. Year 1. Establishing your financial foundation. The journey to financial freedom begins with a comprehensive assessment of your current financial position. This means taking an honest inventory of your income sources, monthly expenses, outstanding debts, and existing savings or investments. Without this clarity, it is impossible to create a meaningful plan. Begin by tracking every rupee or dollar that comes in and goes out. Use budgeting tools or apps to categorize your spending into essentials, discretionary items, and savings. Understanding your cash flow will highlight areas where you can cut back or optimize. Next, set clear, actionable financial goals that are specific, measurable, and time-bound. For example, instead of vaguely saying, "I want to save money," define how much you want to save each month or how much debt you want to eliminate by the end of the year. One of the most critical steps in your first year is addressing any high-interest debt, such as credit card balances or payday loans. These debts not only drain your finances, but also hinder your ability to save and invest. Prioritize paying these off aggressively using methods like the debt avalanche, paying off highest interest first, or the debt snowball, paying smallest balances first to build momentum. Simultaneously, begin building an emergency fund with a target of saving at least 3 to 6 months' worth of essential expenses. This fund acts as a financial safety net, protecting you from unexpected events that could derail your progress. Year 2. Increasing income and starting investment. Once you have a clear understanding of your finances and have started to reduce debt, the next step is to focus on increasing your income and putting your money to work through investments. Increasing your income can come from various avenues. If you have a stable job, consider negotiating a raise or seeking promotions that reflect your value. Enhancing your skills through certifications, courses, or learning new technologies can open doors to higher-paying roles or freelance opportunities. Side hustles are another excellent way to boost income. These can range from freelancing in areas like writing, graphic design, or programming to starting a small business or monetizing a hobby. Side income streams not only increase your cash flow, but also diversify your earnings, which adds financial security. At the same time, it's essential to start investing early. The power of compounding can turn small monthly investments into significant wealth over time. Begin by educating yourself about various investment options such as stocks, mutual funds, exchange-traded funds, ETFs, bonds, and real estate. Each has its own risk profile and potential returns. For beginners, diversified mutual funds or ETFs are often recommended because they spread risk across many assets. Automate your savings and investments so that a portion of your income is automatically transferred to investment accounts each month. This pay-yourself-first approach ensures consistent wealth building without relying on willpower alone. Year 3. Optimizing expenses and scaling wealth. In the third year, your focus should be on optimizing your spending habits and scaling your investments to maximize wealth creation. One of the biggest hurdles many people face as their income rises is lifestyle inflation, the tendency to increase spending as they earn more. This can stall your progress toward financial freedom. To counteract this, maintain a frugal mindset and keep your essential expenses in check even as your earnings grow. The extra income should primarily funnel into investments or debt repayment, rather than new gadgets, cars, or luxury vacations. Another important step in this year is to reinvest any income generated from investments or side businesses back into your portfolio. This practice accelerates growth by compounding returns. Additionally, start exploring alternative investment opportunities beyond stocks and mutual funds. Real estate can be a powerful wealth-building tool, especially rental properties that generate steady cash flow while appreciating in value. If purchasing property outright is not feasible, real estate investment trusts, REITs, offer a more accessible way to invest in real estate markets. Other alternatives include peer-to-peer lending, small business ventures, or crowdfunding projects. Throughout this phase, expanding your financial education and building a network of like-minded individuals will provide support, knowledge, and new opportunities. Year 4, building passive income and protecting wealth. By the 4th year, your aim should be to build multiple passive income streams and focus on protecting the wealth you have accumulated. Passive income is money earned with minimal active effort, such as rental income, dividends from stocks, royalties from creative works, or profits from businesses that run without your direct involvement. Building these streams requires initial effort and capital, but provides the financial freedom to live without active work. Simultaneously, protecting your assets is crucial to ensure long-term security. This involves purchasing appropriate insurance policies such as health, life, and disability insurance to guard against unforeseen circumstances. Estate planning, including drafting wills and trusts, can safeguard your assets and provide peace of mind. It's also wise to diversify your investments geographically and across different asset classes to reduce risk. Tax efficiency becomes increasingly important at this stage, as minimizing tax liability legally can significantly improve your net returns. Consider investing through retirement accounts or tax-advantaged funds and consult a financial advisor to optimize your tax strategy. Year 5, achieving and sustaining financial freedom. In the 5th year, you should aim to reach the financial independence number, the amount of wealth required to sustain your lifestyle without active employment. A commonly used benchmark is the 4% rule, which suggests that you can safely withdraw 4% of your investment portfolio annually without running out of money. This means you need approximately 25 times your annual expenses saved or invested. For example, if your yearly expenses are $40,000, you need a portfolio of around $1 million. Reaching this milestone gives you the freedom to choose whether to continue working or pursue other passions. However, financial freedom is not a one-time event but a continuous process. It is vital to regularly monitor and rebalance your investment portfolio to align with your goals and market conditions. Continuing your education in personal finance and staying informed about new opportunities ensures your wealth continues to grow sustainably. Financial freedom also allows you to live life on your terms, whether that means early retirement, philanthropy, or focusing on your passions. Habits that foster financial freedom. Achieving financial freedom in 5 years requires not only strategies but also the development of empowering habits. Tracking your expenses meticulously gives you control over your money and helps prevent unnecessary spending. Saving consistently, even in small amounts, accumulates over time and establishes discipline. Avoiding impulsive purchases and delaying gratification can significantly increase your savings rate. Investing early and regularly leverages the power of compounding interest, turning modest investments into substantial wealth. Surrounding yourself with financially savvy individuals creates a positive environment for growth and accountability. Finally, embracing patience and persistence is crucial because building wealth is a marathon, not a sprint. Overcoming challenges on the path. While the path to financial freedom is rewarding, it is not without challenges. Unexpected expenses such as medical emergencies, car repairs, or sudden unemployment can threaten your progress. Having a well-funded emergency savings account and insurance policies helps mitigate these risks. Avoiding new high-interest debt is another challenge, especially in a consumer-driven society. Developing strong financial discipline and budgeting skills helps resist temptation. Market volatility can also be stressful. Maintaining a long-term perspective and diversifying investments reduces anxiety and risk. Finally, staying motivated and disciplined requires commitment. Using automation, setting reminders, and finding an accountability partner can help you stay on track. Recommended tools and resources. There are many tools and educational resources that can assist you on this journey. Budgeting apps like Mint, You Need a Budget, YNAB, or Pocket Guard help you monitor and manage spending. Investment platforms such as Vanguard, Fidelity, or Robinhood offer accessible ways to invest with low fees. Financial education books like Rich Dad Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki and The Intelligent Investor by Benjamin Graham provide timeless insights. Podcasts such as Choose a Fi and The Dave Ramsey Show offer practical advice and inspiration. Online communities like Reddit's Arm Personal Finance or Bogleheads Forum provide support and answers to common questions. Leveraging these resources will deepen your knowledge and improve your financial decisions. Becoming financially free within 5 years is an ambitious yet attainable goal. It demands a clear understanding of your financial situation, an unwavering commitment to saving and investing, and the ability to increase income while controlling expenses. By establishing a solid foundation, scaling wealth wisely, building passive income, and protecting your assets, you can reach a point where money no longer dictates your choices. Remember, the path to financial freedom is a journey that requires patience, discipline, and continuous learning. Start today, take consistent action, and in 5 years, you could enjoy the freedom to live life on your own terms. So that's it for today. If you like this video, then please hit the like and subscribe button for more videos. Thanks for watching.